When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nkem. In this video we'll be doing a coily crochet wig. We use one pack of expression braiding hair in color 1 and a wig cap, a crochet hook, a lace net that we'll be using to make our closure, and needle and thread for sewing our lace net to the wig cap. So I will start with sewing the lace net to the wig cap before we start making our closure.
Don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon.
After sewing, I will cut out the cap from the lace net. And this is what it looks like. So we'll start picking our closure. So we're going to start making our lace closure now. I picked 2, 3, 1 and 4 in making this lace closure. I did not crowd it too much because I wanted it to be very flat. I wanted it to be very flat, so I was just picking 4, 3, 2 and 1. I'll also show you guys how I made the front to be very straight, the lines to be very straight. So keep watching, and please guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that when I post subsequent videos you get notified. To make your lines very straight, all you have to do is try and target a particular line of hole in your net and then crochet on that line of hole till you get to the front. I actually started crocheting it from the back, or making my pattern from the back, and I'll work like that till I get to the front. So this is how it looks like. I'll just crocheting on a particular straight line on the net. That way I don't make mistake. You have to be very focused while you're doing this so that you don't pick or you don't cross over to the other line of the net. So this is basically how to get a straight line when you are making your lace closure. Just try and follow a particular line and work with it from start to finish. That way you have a very straight line.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times.
To make the back part of our crochet wig, I cut the attachment into 3 places and then start crocheting. Now you can use a pre-stretch hair so that you don't go through the stress of stretching out the attachment before you start crocheting.
Don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from watching.
So when you get to the front of your wig, you just want to be picking your attachment bit by bit. That way your closure and the part you crochet will actually be flat, and you will not have those bumps when you feel your wig on your head.
Feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
So guys, it is time to roll our wig, or to give it the coils you guys saw at the beginning. I use the big size of rollers in rolling the hair. In rolling the attachment, if you watch closely, I am not twisting the attachment. All I did was just flatten it and then wrap it around the rollers.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing.
Now after rolling it, make sure you trim out the excess hair that will be coming out.
Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from watching you all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
After putting it in hot water, please allow it to dry very well before you take out the roller so that your coils can sit properly and also it will be very fine.
I can't turn down the noise, say all the words out of my mind.
The wig is dried. I'm going to take out the rollers now. So this is how the coils came out. It's really fine. This is very beautiful. So definitely after rolling it, I will go ahead and start separating the coils. When you're separating the coils, please be very gentle so that you don't spoil it.
One thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me.
After doing all this, you just have to trim out the hair so that you have equal length, and that is it for this tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you how it looks like on my head and all that stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly hit that subscribe button if you've not done so already. Turn on your bell notification and please give this video a huge thumbs up if it was helpful.
You'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.